Now I'm going to show you guys the boot space. That's the key, by the way. So a lot of boot space on this one. It's also got the optional feature of folding seats, which is one of the main reasons I bought this car. Folding mirrors. So it's got these sun blinds on the rears. Comes on the offside rear as well. Panoramic sunroof, as you can see here, which is fully glass on the top. So you got a screen on the rear, screen on the front as well, where you can watch movies. We'll have to put a DVD CD on in the CD player. Coming to the features that I like is the dynamic seats. It's got like a massaging feature, but it doesn't really feel like a massage. It's more like all these areas of the seat, they puff up with the air and they deflate and inflate with air. Another cool feature is when you take corners, the bolsters inflate and deflate, so it keeps you steady in your seat. So talking about the features, you got this button here. So cool thing that this button does, as soon as I press this, the headrests in the rear go down, and that's really cool. Got heated seats. Got suspension modes. It's got the currently the car has lowering links fitted, so it's got the highest level setting, which is there, normal setting, which when none of them is selected, and you got sports, and the other one which is where it stiffens up the dampers on the suspension. This particular model comes with a Distronic feature. It maintains the distance from the car in front of you without you pressing the brakes or the accelerator pedal. It's similar to cruise control, but a bit more high-tech, so to speak. It's got surround sound, Harman Kardon system, which is really good. Electric seats. And what else? Yeah, so we got this CD player, which you press this button, it opens up, and you can select your CDs. I think it stores about 6 CDs on here, and then you got 1 CD there. And you got this cup holder, which you don't find on new cars. Yep, 1 cup holder, unfortunately, but it's still good. And finally, I will show you the engine. Here we have the 5.4 liter supercharged V8, and this model has stage 1 remap, which brings it up to 500 horsepower plus. got AC vents here on the back. Right there, you got adjustment there for the AC. And the TV screen on the rear. I think it's got a TV tuner, but I never tested it out. Also, it's got a remote, cup holders here. So guys, and a remote which can control both the screens. So you got rear one here, and to select the forward, the front screen, you slide it to the front. This is in the sports mode. I put on the high setting. So as you can see, it's slowly raising up now, front and rear. So this is in the highest ride height setting. And this now is the standard mode, so it's coming back down to a standard setting. The only mods I've done is mainly maintenance mods, as you can tell with Mercedes. It's got a automatic steering adjustment as well, according to memory. So as soon as you put the key in, it goes back to the stored position. You take the key off, and it goes back to standard position. And now let's take it for a small drive, and I'll explain to you what I like and what I don't.